Hi everyone, it's Heidi with WTI, and these Anna Griffin 3D ribbon edge and layer dies are so gorgeous. The beautiful details in the dies is just exceptional. There are 12 pieces and they create such beautiful results, whether I'm using them for scrapbooking or card making. And they create different size layers with really intricate pieces that layer so beautifully on top of each other to get an opulent result. And the dies are so substantial and such great quality. I love the beauty of these Anna Griffin 3D ribbon layer dies. They have added such beauty and elegance to my crafting projects, and that's my point of view.